What's up, you guys? Vinyl Vixen and Slim Shetty.
What's up?
Here at Wrap Sesh. This week we are doing a overwrapper tutorial.
We're doing something a little unordinary.
Unordinary. It's extraordinary is what I would call it.
Well, it's really, yeah.
I've only done it like
a lot
twice.
of people don't do this.
Anyways, this whole thing right here, the spaceship, this is a Porsche Macan front hood bonnet. And it's flipped upside down. And we're doing a full color change in KPMF gloss blue black iridescent. And we are doing full coverage. So we're doing the trunk jams, the hood jams, the door jams, the door panels. We're jamming.
All jams.
Jamming for a long time.
Yeah.
So we have to wrap the underside of this hood first, and then we're gonna wrap the outside with it back on the car.
Yeah, we're gonna like
and
cap
then we're
the back.
pretty much gonna cap it, have like a 1/2 inch overlap seam, and then we're gonna seal it with laminate strip, and that's gonna do the job.
Yeah. But there's a lot of like, you know, recesses.
A lot of stretching in
cuts
here. A lot of things to trim out. It's pretty extensive. So if you're doing stuff like this with door jams, you can definitely make money on it. You just need to charge appropriately for it. You have to keep in mind this side takes longer than the actual outside of the hood.
Yeah.
You also have to disassemble it off the car, so you need to be charging for that extra disassembly, the extra film, as well as the extra labor. Normally when we do door jams, we're charging anywhere from $500 to $800 per door.
Well, and normally even when we do door jams, we don't do this.
No,
we only do the
usually
jams.
don't do this. This is like every once in a while.
Yeah.
So, I mean, door jam wraps for us, they start around $5 grand and go up. And this is well over that mark.
Well, he's getting also a full ceramic coating and clear bra.
Right. So there's a lot of stuff going into this project. For us, it's a couple weeks, just because, you know, there's only 2 of us. It's very, very extensive. We're working on other cars. We're running the business, you know, all that kind of stuff. So our timeline is always a little bit stretched out for things. But yeah, basically we have it off. We cleaned it with alcohol, water mix, and I think we're pretty much ready to start laying. Yeah. Other than knifeless tape.
We did a test piece on there and it seems to stick fine, so.
Okay, let's do it.
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. You struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah. Chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah. No, I'm not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come
thank you guys so much for watching this week. If you want to keep up with our daily fun, make sure to follow us online at Vinyl Vixen Raps and Rap Sesh AZ, Facebook and Instagram. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Rap Sesh vibe.
Oh. Why did you knock my hat off?
I don't know. See you guys next week.
Well, you don't have the feelings bone.
That's not in your head.
What are we talking about?
The thing. That's called a heart.
Well, you don't have one.
Mine's like cactus. Okay, ready?
I can't just stand here the whole time like this.
Yes, you can.
I'm like slouched over.
And then when we like do the outro part, you should just like
Don't
close it. The thing.
This thing?
Yeah.
I can't fit.
And just like that, yeah. So like when I say the catch, that's when you do it.
This is very uncomfortable.